looking at a torch, and you might be thinking, why would I be doing a review of this torch? Well, let's see when I pick it up what happens. It's flat. It's a flat LED torch. And why would you want anything like this? It would fit in your bag, I suppose. You could clip it. Actually, it's got a magnet inside, so it attaches to magnet. So that's pretty good. So you can attach it to your side of your computer table. I'll just show you further down. Just have to make sure we get properly. Where's the magnet? So the magnet's somewhere around here. Not sure which side it's on. Or is that the battery? Anyway, it fits on. Has two LEDs at the top, and the battery inside is non-replaceable. Once the batteries run out on this, it's basically disposable. Unless you want to take it apart, you would have to cut inside of it, and then this unit would be no good, would it? No longer be waterproof, because this is basically what is a waterproof flashlight that fits in your pocket, which is magnetic as well, so that keeps, well, if you don't move it. So if you like that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.